Hello, GHL agency user. Introducing the Video Slider widget from the Level Up Marketplace. Want to bring your website to life with dynamic video content? With our Video Slider widget, you can showcase a series of videos that seamlessly slide across your page. Whether it's product demos, tutorials, or promotions, this interactive feature keeps your visitors engaged and informed. Ready to add more impact to your site? Try the Video Slider widget today and make your content shine. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up Marketplace.